Hello friends, and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Well, today we'll see how to share a file on Bluetooth from one smartphone to another smartphone, especially when share it is not available these days. You can do it very easily. I'll show you how. So for example, I'll take a snap, I'll take a photo here for this video purpose. Yeah, this is the photo I want to share. I'll take a photo. Fine. I want to share this photo to this phone. So let's see how it happens. So it's very easy. First of all, go to your gallery. Once you go to your gallery, open your photo. Here you can see this is called share. In share there will be a lot of options like WhatsApp, Gmail, many other sharing apps will be popping up. Here also you can see something called Bluetooth. When in every file, when you open that, if you press that share button which is available, you can see all these options here. So find the Bluetooth icon there. So once you find that, press it, and once you do that, you have to even open the Bluetooth here as well. So I'll press Bluetooth here. So you can see available devices. Make sure you want to connect to is in pairing mode. Your tablet Galaxy Tab is currently visible to nearby device. When I open this Bluetooth, you can see here Galaxy Tab A is popping up. So it is already reading the Galaxy Tab A. Well, this phone's Bluetooth is this one. So I press here because since I want to send from this phone, I have to press this thing, Galaxy Tab A. So once I press Galaxy Tab A, something will be, yeah, file transfer. This is this from this phone, image, file name, and size is also. The details of the file is coming here. So whether I can accept or else I can decline it as well. So I'll accept it. Once I accept, yeah, the Bluetooth share receiving the file. Yeah, the file has been received. I'll press here. Let's see what's the file. Yeah, this one is the file. I'll open it up. I'll open it with gallery. So you can see here the file is received from here, this phone to this phone. You can very easily transfer in Bluetooth. Make use of this. Keep the phone side by side, preferably within 1 meter distance. You can very easily share files from this one phone to another phone using Bluetooth. So friends, I hope this is quite useful for sharing of files. These days ShareIt is also not available because of some issues. So please make use of this facility in your phone to transfer files easily. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like this. Please share this video on various platforms so that many people know this. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel Infotainment to get more of such little technical videos to make your digital life easier and simpler. So till our next video, keep watching Infotainment. We're coming up with more of such videos. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.